Hey guys, Anthony here from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. iOS 17 introduced the ability to share your AirTags with friends and family. To do this, simply open the Find My app on your iPhone, tap on Items in the menu, followed by the AirTag you wish to share. This will bring up the different menu options for your AirTag, one of them being the ability to add a person to share it with. You can choose up to 5 people from your contacts list to share your AirTag with. If you don't see the person listed here, it's likely because they do not meet Apple's sharing requirements. Firstly, their Apple account must have two-factor authentication enabled. The person cannot be a child, and both you and the person you're sharing with must have iCloud Keychain enabled in Settings. To check this, open Settings, click on your Apple ID, followed by iCloud, and this option should be enabled. Having added the person or persons you wish to share with, click Share. They will then receive a notification confirming you've shared your AirTag with them. Tapping on the notification will open Find My on their phone, where they can tap on Add to bring up this screen and then tap Add again to confirm. Your AirTag is now shared and the person you've shared it with has the same options to find the tag as you do. If at any time you wish to stop sharing, you simply scroll down through your AirTag options and tap here. Confirm you wish to stop sharing and that's it. You'll no longer be sharing your AirTag. So that is how to share an AirTag on iPhone. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hitting subscribe for lots more quick tips on all your Apple devices. And here's an easy way to send encrypted files on your Mac, or an easy way to share your passwords with family and friends. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.